Here's what they don't tell you at the job fair. The most important tool a solar installer has is respect for gravity. Everyone talks about harnessing the sun's power, but they forget you're doing it 3 stories up on a slanted roof with the wind threatening to turn you into a human kite. This job isn't just about renewable energy, it's about mastering an environment that doesn't want you there. So today we're pulling back the curtain on what being a solar installer really means. I'm not here to sell you a dream, but to give you the real story. We'll break down what installers actually do, the skills that matter, and the challenges that make you question your life choices on a cold, rainy Tuesday. At its core, a solar installer is part roofer, part electrician, part puzzle master. You're the one physically connecting families to cleaner energy. This job matters because it's tangible. You build the infrastructure of tomorrow, one awkward panel at a time. But let's be clear, this isn't a desk job. You are the view, and your work is on display for the whole neighborhood. It demands brains, brawn, and the grit to keep going when your body wants to quit. If you find satisfaction in seeing a hard day's work stand tall against the skyline, this might be for you. The sun is your new boss, and it starts early. Your day begins before sunrise. Meeting your crew at a warehouse or job site could be a home, a farm, or a massive building. First up, logistics and safety. Load the truck, check your gear, and make sure every harness and tool is ready. On site, you prep the roof, inspecting rafters, making sure it can handle the weight for decades. Then comes layout, measuring, marking, and installing the racks that hold the panels. Precision is everything. Next, the heavy lifting. Solar panels are bulky and expensive, and getting them onto the roof without damage is an art. Teamwork is non-negotiable. You and your crew move in sync, securing each panel bolt by bolt. Then, you switch hats. Now you're a junior electrician, wiring the panels together and connecting them to the home's electrical system. One wrong connection isn't just a mistake, it's a hazard. The day ends with a system test and a thorough cleanup. You leave the site better than you found it, with a silent, powerful array as proof of your work. Then you go home, exhausted and ready to do it all again tomorrow. That's the real day in the life. Here's the part that tests your resolve: the environment. In summer, the roof feels like a frying pan. In winter, it's icy and brutal. There's no climate control up there. The physical toll is real. Lifting, climbing, kneeling, and contorting your body all day. Your back, knees, and shoulders will ache in ways you didn't know were possible. This job demands functional strength and endurance you can't build in a gym. The mental game is just as tough. One moment of distraction can have serious consequences. You're under pressure to work fast, but safety always comes first. You need patient urgency, methodical, deliberate, and hyper-aware even when you're tired. And yes, it gets dirty. You'll crawl through dusty attics, deal with bird droppings and ancient shingles. It's not glamorous, but it's honest work. Success here takes humility, grit, and the willingness to get your hands dirty every single day. If you can look at a tough job and say, "Let's get this done," you'll fit right in. That's the reality behind the brochure. After all that, is it worth it? Absolutely. The pay is solid, with starting wages around $20 to $25 an hour and experienced installers earning more. Job security is high, solar is booming, and companies can't hire fast enough. But the real reward is the satisfaction of building something real. You see the results of your labor every day, not just in a spreadsheet. Career growth is real. Start as an installer, move up to crew lead, project manager, or even start your own company. The hands-on experience you gain is invaluable across the industry. Automation may streamline some tasks, but the core work, solving problems on unique roofs, needs human skill. Robots can't handle a rotted rafter or a wasp nest. To future-proof your career, focus on problem-solving, adaptability, and real-world expertise. That's what sets you apart. We've covered the good, the bad, and the sweaty. This job isn't for everyone. It demands grit, resilience, and respect for skilled traits. But if you want to see the impact of your work every day and build a skill that can't be outsourced, this is your path. Imagine leading a crew, powering a town, and owning skills no one can take from you. The country needs more skilled tradespeople. Jobs like this are essential and waiting to be filled. Being a solar installer is more than a job, it's a chance to build a real career and do work that matters. So what's your next step? Don't just wonder, go find out. Reach out to local solar companies, look into apprenticeships, or check out training programs. The information is out there, but you have to go get it. This is your invitation. The rest is up to you.